So guys, Samsung is going to have their summer unpacked event on 11th of August, and we have the official confirmation on every single product which is going to be launching during that event. This is coming from Avnblast, so this is just about 100% correct information. It has now been confirmed that the event will indeed be held on 11th of August and will be streamed live on Samsung's official YouTube channel and on their website. In this event, the main point of attraction will be the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which Avnblast has leaked in its full glory. The color options he revealed are black, green and white. At the back we have triple cameras with a similar display up front and a UDC on the inside display. We then have the USB-C slot and a speaker on the bottom as well as a speaker on the top. And then the Samsung logo could be found on the hinge mechanism. We then have the Z Flip 3, which has 4 color options including black, beige, green and violet. There is a black window on the outside which contains the dual cameras and a bigger display. We then have the power button fingerprint scanner along with the volume rockers on the right hand side and a SIM tray on the left hand side. The USB-C slot and the speaker could be found at the bottom. However, the Z Flip 3 won't be featuring the under panel camera, so we still have a hole punch display. We then have the Galaxy S21 FE, which was once rumored to be cancelled or delayed, and some even called it as sacrificed to get more chips for the Flip Fold because of the chip shortage, but thankfully seems like Samsung has made their mind and are going to announce the S21 FE on the 11th of August unpacked event. The smartphone comes with Snapdragon 888 and also borrows its design clues from the S21 Ultra and is also going to be priced very aggressively just like the S20 Fan Edition, maybe even at the same price as the S20 FE. We're also going to see the new Watch 4 series, including the new Watch 4, which was previously the Active series with no rotating bezel, and the smartwatch with the rotating bezel is now going to be called as the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and it retains the fan favorite rotating bezel. If Samsung had only released the non-rotating bezel smartwatch, I would be super mad, but still there are some things to be mad about, like the price. These watches will be seriously more expensive than its predecessors and are expected to come at a whopping $400 for the normal and about $500 for the classic edition, which is too much even for the new Wear OS. The last thing which will be revealed is the successor of the highly popular Galaxy Buds Plus. The new buds come in a case similar to the Buds Live and also do feature noise cancellation. I super like the fact that the case is white and the accented color is only present in the inside, but I do hope that at least they provide a black case because white is super easy to get dirty. Let me know guys, what are your thoughts about this Galaxy Unpacked event? Which of these things are you gonna buy? I want the Fold 3, but it might be slight bit out of my budget, but still I will try to get my hands on it and try to do a review for the AM RTR channel, which is my second channel, and I highly suggest you to go subscribe right now and subscribe here as well. With that being said guys, this is it for now. Hit the like button if you enjoyed and thanks a lot for watching.